You measure my style, my slang, my talk, my train of thought, my clique, my crew, my gang, my family, my heart, my sound, my clothes, my sneaks, my raps over beats, my message, my speech, my lessons to teach, my thesis, my peace with the audacity to beef, my limits, my reach, my boundaries, my leash, my enemies, my frenemies, my energy on stage, my character, my role, my position, my place, my status, my sales, my quotas, my habits, my failures, my motives, my paraphernalia, my soul controlling my bills and what I owe you, my honesty, my facial expression, my temper, my anger management, my patience with stress and pretenders, my credibility, my salvation. Funny how you measure my love when you are hating. You measure my sins, my image, and my negative behavior. Now when you measure us, do it with the Savior. We are one. Yeah. I am your brother, your man, your dog, your best friend, your father, your role model. I'm your number one fan, I'm your son crying out, your loped out nephew on the block with the tech ready to let loose. I'm a child in the room, plotting on my swag and groove. A poor soul that's attached to you. I'm a microphone fiend reaching the black youth. I'm in the courtroom under oath, telling the truth. I'm in the church preaching the word to God's understood. I'm in the projects with the cold stash under the wood. I am Cincinnati, I am Winchester, I am the professor with the message in my lecture. I am a born failure, striving for success. I am cursed, I am blessed, I am fresh. I am a father of four, but I'm the father's son. I am me and I am you. We are one, we are one.